Sorry, I didn't see you there. How you doing? This isn't going to be anything on the gearbox. A little bit different, as I thought I'd tell a quick story. And this is a time back in 2012 where I did a bit of rallying because the company I was working for at the time wanted to have a tax write-off, and a few of us had a bit of racing experience, so they gave us some money to go racing, and we bought a rally car, which was a Peugeot 106 Rallye, which is good for rallying. Cool little car, and I only ever did one event in it because not long after that I ended up going to work somewhere else. But yeah, I just thought I'd show some of the onboard footage. It goes without saying that this is going to happen at some point. Now, this was the first time I ever drove this car. Never drove it on the road. The first time I actually was in it was when I was just about to start rallying. And my co-driver sometimes got left and right confused, which you might see on the dashboard. We actually had to write it out for him. Not what you want from a co-driver, but he was a good guy. Other than that, enjoy. hope you've enjoyed that. And have a great Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.